3, 2, 1.
What usually causes fractures on a bone? The answer is B, excessive bending stress. If you want to reuse a small jar as a refrigerator magnet, what do you need to do? How would you do this? The answer is A, attach a magnet onto the jar with hot glue. What % of people are employed in the private sector in St. Helena? The answer is C, 45. How would one describe Robin as a warrior? The answer is A, Robin is very brave. As numerous countries gain their independence in that year, which year in the second half of the 20th century is known as the Year of Africa? The answer is A, 1960. A man in a black vest is standing in a room. What happens next? The answer is A, throws darts at a dartboard on the wall. In what year did the unauthorization of capital punishment occur? The answer is D, 1976. What relatively new addition to and highest level of the system of taxonomic classification includes just 3 divisions, the Eukarya, the Archaea, and the bacteria? The answer is C, domain. To hold wood pieces together while they dry, how would you do this? The answer is A, place them in clamps while they dry. Reproduction is when an organism passes genetic information from itself to its what? The answer is D, younglings. Why did I pick the electives that I picked? The answer is B, I enjoy learning about those 2 subjects. How would you do this? The answer is A, affix hamburgers. When did audio CDs become available for purchase? The answer is D, 1982. To give shapes to a paper mache Halloween mask, how would you do this? The answer is A, use wadded up newspaper under the paper mache. What area code is used in Philadelphia in 1947? The answer is B, 215. After a rainstorm, a big pile of rocks blocks part of a mountain road. Which event most likely caused the rocks to move onto the road? The answer is C, a landslide. How many parks are there in the city of Ann Arbor? The answer is A, 157. What is a device used to measure temperature changes during chemical processes called? The answer is A, calorimeter. In which year did Detroit's population peak? The answer is A, 1950. What is the term for abnormally low blood levels of carbon dioxide? The answer is C, hypocapnia. What is the term for the wavelengths of light humans can see? The answer is D, visible light. What may I have done that day? The answer is B, play with the band. What is my current job that I am afraid I won't be able to do in the future? The answer is A, I am a full-time stay-at-home mom. How do you move something? How would you do this? The answer is A, switch its location. Earthquakes mark the motions of colliding plates and the locations where plates plunge into what? The answer is C, the mantle. How can I set no bake Nanaimo bars? How would you do this? The answer is A, place in refrigerator for at least an hour. To calculate acceleration without a change in direction, you just divide the change in velocity by the change in what? The answer is C, time. Who played the role of Chuck on television sitcom Happy Days? The answer is D, Gavin O'Herlihy. Who was Mike Horton's first sexual experience with? The answer is A, Linda Patterson Phillips. Manfred Albrecht Freyer von Richthofen was a German pilot and is still regarded today as the ace of aces. Which of the following pairs nickname nation calling him that is wrong? The answer is B, they are all true. What does Frosty the Snowman, the character from an animated story produced by the Rankin Bass Company, say when he wakes up? The answer is B, happy birthday. During a physical exam, the doctor says he wants to auscultate your heart. What instrument will he use? The answer is B, stethoscope. Wax is on some plant leaves for what purpose? The answer is D, keep the ongoing hydration. What is Mariska Hargitay's middle name? The answer is C, Magdalena. In what year was Wycliffe declared a heretic? The answer is B, 1415. In the Old Testament, whose hair was cut off by the temptress Delilah? The answer is B, Samson. What may happen now with his ex? The answer is B, he will get back with her. Fix blurry smartphone camera. How would you do this? The answer is A, apply Scotch tape over camera lens. In what year did Blackpool and Blackburn become independent unitary authorities? The answer is D, 1998. When was the offices of restored to the witness congregations? The answer is A, 1972. How do you calculate the atomic mass of an element? The answer is B, add the protons and neutrons together. There is a major lightsaber battle in every Star Wars film. Where did the one in the film The Empire Strikes Back take place? The answer is B, Cloud City. To mix tomato chunks together to form a paste, how would you do this? The answer is A, place them in a blender. Which of these celebrities was not invited to Prince William and Catherine Middleton's wedding? The answer is A, Ewan McGregor. What phenotype do gain-of-function mutations usually result in? The answer is C, dominant. The Saratov approach was released throughout a geographic region of the United States, settled by Mormons beginning in what year? The answer is C, 1850. A person does a handstand on a diving board. What happens next? The answer is C, dive into the swimming pool below them. What is the theme for the gang's senior prom in the sitcom Saved by the Bell? The answer is B, Oklahoma. People are standing at the top of a hill. A person is skiing down a hill of snow. What happens next? The answer is C, get to the bottom of the hill and stop. When did Manny Ramirez get his 165 RBI?